Well, everyone, I went ahead and repackaged my iPhone XR that I bought many years ago, and I want to go ahead and kind of showcase to you all basically of what the unboxing would have been for an iPhone XR and even how it kind of holds up nowadays, I guess. Now, the craziest thing that I always mention is the thickness of these boxes. Now, this one I wasn't able to prepackage it basically exactly how it was, but usually it would have been a lot more slimmer, I guess. But still, it would have had a little bit sticking out, not as badly as this one. Now, like I said, I don't think this is the original box. Actually, I think this is the original box for my original iPhone XR. Unfortunately, I did throw that one away by accident, so the box isn't going to match. But you can see right up here what was included with this iPhone. The iPhone XR, earpods with a lightning connector, lightning to USB cable, USB power adapter. There were so many things added within our box during that time, and it's so sad when we take a look at the iPhones now that Apple pretty much has removed everything from these devices. Now, if we go and lift the box open, one funny thing is the boxes nowadays have a little hole on the top because that designates like where the camera is. But in this case, that was not the case for these type of iPhones. Now, we do have the iPhone XR pretty much as soon as we boot up the phone or as soon as we open it up. Now, this is the one I've already been using. I think this one is actually dead. I don't know if it's even going to turn on. Regardless, this would have been a really good looking phone at that time. I remember in 2018, I wasn't the biggest fan of this specific phone, but I do think because of the glass and because of them not going the plastic route, I guess I think it kind of held up better than it could have, if it was a little bit more cheaper. But I'm glad Apple kept it the same, like with the glass and with at least a decent panel. Now on the front, or at least when we unbox it, we wouldn't normally have paperwork. I've since lost that paperwork, but we do still have our power adapter, which is very nice. I think this is still something that we should be having in our phones, at least when we're going through and actually buying them. We have these earpods, which is absolutely crazy. You can still buy these separately, but the fact that Apple just threw these in with our headphones during that time is crazy. Now, I think these are generic ones too. I don't even think these are the real ones. There's no Apple logo on the back, but that was something that I really do miss with these type of earpods or with these type of headphones. That was easily one of my favorite things about it. And then you also had at the very end a little charging cable. This is basically just a standard one that I had laying around as well. And just when I kind of think about it like that, it is crazy to me how much stuff Apple threw at us during this time. And you would even have our little SIM card eject tool, which we have right here too as well. I think when I look back at these types of devices, I think it's pretty insane of just what Apple was willing to give us during that time. And it's crazy because since the iPhone 12s, they haven't given us nearly as many things since then. But the phones have cost way more. This phone cost, I think, $749 when it first came out. The iPhone 11 cost $699, and it still had the same amount of accessories as well. So I think it's going to be very interesting to see what happens when they remove the charging cable as well. But that is pretty much a quick unboxing of, I guess, an iPhone XR in 2023. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.